Welcome to springlib.
So for this problem, we have a person of height 1.6 meters, and he is lifting a book of mass 1.95 kilograms off the ground so that it is 2.2 meters above the ground. So he's lifting a book to some this height, okay? And this is the initial level, which I call it y0, and this is the final level. And the distance here is 2.2 meters. And the question is, what is the potential energy of the book relative to first ground level? So potential energy formula is UG is equals to mg y final minus y initial, which is equals to 1.95 times 9.8, 2.2 minus 0. This is the initial level, and the final level is 2.2. So therefore, if you solve that, you get 42 joules. That's the answer to the A part. The B part is, what is the potential energy with respect to the person's head? So with respect to the person's head, you'll have UG is equals to 1.95 times 9.8, 2.2 minus 1.6. So that is our final position is 2.2, but the initial is 1.6 because they're asking with respect to the person's head. So if you solve that, you will get approximately 11.47 joules. Okay, and the C part, they're asking about how is the work done by the person related to the answers in A and B. Now we know that the work done by the person is equals to FD cosine theta. As the person lifts the book from the ground level to this level, the force acting here is mg, and the applied force, which is the upward direction here, which is the F applied, I'll call it, is equals to mg. So therefore, it is mg, and the distance moved is h, and the angle between the F applied and the distance or the displacement is 0, and cos 0 is 1. Therefore, it gives you basically mgh, which gives you this formula. So basically, what we have calculated in part A is the potential energy is actually equals to the work done by the person. So the work done by the person in lifting the book from the ground level is the same as to the answer in part A, basically. But in part B, we have calculated the work done from a height of 1.6 meters basically to 2.2 meters. So that does not relate at all to the work done by the person, because the work done by the person is actually taken from the ground level to the top level. So therefore, the work done by the person is not related to the answer in part B.